Hey, this is Nidyash again. What's up, everyone? If you think great photography is just about aesthetics, think again. In 2025, the right shots for consumer electronics can be a game changer for brands looking to connect with savvy shoppers. This article reveals the 5 best pro shots that showcase products beautifully and resonate with consumers' emotions and needs. Stick around to learn how these powerful images can enhance your marketing efforts and drive more sales than ever before. What makes a great pro shot? A great pro shot is not just about technical perfection. It's about storytelling. When capturing shots for consumer electronics, the goal is to highlight the product's features while creating an emotional connection with the viewer. This can be achieved through thoughtful composition and lighting that enhances the product's appeal. Consider using natural light or soft diffusers to create a warm ambiance, allowing the textures and colors of the electronics to pop without overwhelming the viewer. Moreover, incorporating lifestyle elements can elevate your shot significantly. Instead of isolating the product on a plain background, showcase it in real-life scenarios where it shines. For instance, if you're photographing a sleek new smartphone, place it in a trendy cafe setting or during a casual outing. This not only demonstrates the product in action but also helps potential buyers envision how it fits into their lives. Ultimately, a great pro shot marries aesthetics with functionality, creating an image that resonates long after it's been seen. Top pro shot. Number 1. Features and benefits. When it comes to enhancing your consumer electronics experience, the top pro shot number 1 stands out with its innovative design and impressive functionality. One of its standout features is its exceptional image stabilization technology, which ensures that every shot you take is crisp and clear, even in dynamic environments. This is especially beneficial for capturing action-packed moments, whether you're filming a family gathering or documenting an outdoor adventure. You won't have to worry about shaky footage ruining your memories. Instead, you can focus on enjoying the moment. Beyond stabilization, the top pro shot number 1 offers a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible for everyone, from tech novices to seasoned professionals. Its intuitive controls allow you to switch between shooting modes seamlessly, letting you experiment with various settings to achieve the perfect shot. Additionally, the device is compatible with a range of accessories, expanding its versatility and enabling users to tailor their setups for specific projects. With such features and benefits, the top pro shot number 1 truly elevates how we interact with our consumer electronics, turning everyday moments into cinematic experiences. Top pro shot number 2. Features and benefits. When it comes to showcasing consumer electronics, top pro shot number 2 stands out with its remarkable features that cater specifically to tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. The advanced stabilization technology ensures that every shot is smooth, even in dynamic environments. This means you can capture the intricate details of your latest gadget without the distraction of shaky footage. Plus, the adjustable lighting options allow for optimal visibility in any setting, highlighting the sleek designs and functionalities of your devices. One of the standout benefits of using top pro shot number 2 is its user-friendly interface, which makes it accessible for both seasoned pros and beginners. With customizable settings at your fingertips, you can tailor each shot to reflect the unique qualities of the electronics you're featuring. Whether you're showcasing a cutting-edge smartphone or a high-end gaming console, this tool elevates your visuals to a level that grabs attention and keeps viewers engaged. Ultimately, top pro shot number 2 isn't just about capturing images. It's about telling a story that resonates with your audience. Top pro shot number 3. Features and benefits. When it comes to capturing the essence of consumer electronics, the pro shot number 3 stands out with its unparalleled features. One of its most striking attributes is its advanced low-light performance, allowing you to take stunning shots in dim environments without compromising on detail or clarity. Imagine snapping a vibrant photo of your new gadget during a cozy evening setup. The pro shot number 3 ensures that even the subtleties in shadows and highlights are preserved, creating an inviting atmosphere in your images. Moreover, this powerhouse offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both seasoned photographers and casual users alike. Its customizable settings allow for flexibility, perfect for those who want to experiment with different styles while ensuring that every shot reflects the true character of their latest tech acquisition. The built-in AI features intelligently adjust the exposure and color balance, making it easier than ever to achieve professional quality shots for your consumer electronics. Whether you're sharing on social media or showcasing a product review, the ProShot number 3 helps you present your gadgets in their best light, literally and figuratively. Top ProShot number 4. Features and benefits. When it comes to showcasing consumer electronics, ProShot number 4 stands out with its unique features designed for both amateur and professional photographers. One of the standout attributes is its advanced stabilization technology, which ensures that even the most dynamic shots maintain crystal clarity. This means you can capture stunning images of devices in action, whether it's a sleek smartphone being used in everyday scenarios or a cutting-edge gadget being demonstrated at a tech expo. Another impressive benefit of ProShot number 4 is its versatile shooting modes tailored specifically for electronics. With settings that optimize for various lighting conditions and textures, you'll find that capturing the intricate details of a product like the glossy finish of a laptop or the vibrant display of a tablet becomes effortless. Plus, the intuitive interface allows users to switch between modes quickly, making it ideal for fast-paced environments where consumer electronics are showcased. Embracing this tool not only elevates your photography game, but also enhances your ability to tell compelling stories about the tech that shapes our lives. Top ProShot. Number 5. Features and benefits. The top ProShot number 5 stands out in the realm of shots for consumer electronics due to its unparalleled precision and versatility. One of its most notable features is the advanced stabilization technology, which ensures that every image captures the essence of motion without compromising clarity. This is particularly beneficial for videographers and content creators who seek to showcase dynamic products, allowing their audience to experience a seamless visual narrative that speaks volumes about the product's quality. Moreover, the top ProShot number 5 offers customizable settings that cater to various shooting environments, from low-light conditions to bright outdoor scenes. This adaptability enhances the user experience, enabling creators to achieve professional-grade results without the need for extensive post-processing. With its user-friendly interface and robust build, this shot not only empowers users to elevate their projects, but also fosters a deeper connection between consumers and the electronics they invest in. As a result, it transforms ordinary product presentations into engaging visual stories that resonate with audiences on multiple levels. Comparison of the best pro shots. When evaluating the best pro shots in the realm of consumer electronics, it's essential to consider not just image quality, but also usability and versatility. For instance, while some models excel in low-light performance, others shine in dynamic range or color accuracy. The Canon EOS R5 stands out with its remarkable 45-megapixel sensor, delivering stunning detail that appeals to both professional photographers and videographers. In contrast, Sony's A7IV offers impressive autofocus capabilities and real-time tracking, making it an ideal choice for fast-paced shooting environments. Choosing the right pro shot. When selecting the right pro shot for consumer electronics, understanding the nuances of lighting and composition is crucial. The ideal shot should not only showcase the product's features, but also evoke an emotional response from potential buyers. Consider utilizing natural light to highlight textures and details, as it can create a more authentic representation of the product. Additionally, experimenting with different angles can reveal unique aspects that might otherwise go unnoticed, allowing your audience to connect with the item on a deeper level. So here's the end. Moreover, incorporating lifestyle elements into your shots can elevate the presentation of consumer electronics. By placing products in relatable settings, you help customers envision how these items fit into their daily lives. This approach not only enhances engagement, but also fosters a sense of aspiration. Remember, the goal is to tell a story that resonates with your target audience, transforming a simple product image into a compelling visual narrative that drives interest and ultimately, conversions.